protein is essential for muscle growth, energy, and overall health. In this video, we explore the best protein-rich foods, natural remedies, and supplements to help you stay strong and energized.
Welcome to Nutrinist, your go-to destination for personalized nutrition advice.
Protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair, immune function, and overall body strength. A balanced intake of protein can help maintain energy levels and support a healthy metabolism. Looking for natural protein sources? Here are the top foods to include in your diet. Eggs, a complete protein source. Lean meats like chicken and turkey, fatty fish such as salmon and tuna. Plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu nuts and seeds for a protein boost. Want to increase your protein intake effortlessly? Try these simple tips. Start your day with protein-packed breakfasts like Greek yogurt with nuts. Replace regular flour with almond or chickpea flour in your recipes. Add a scoop of protein powder to smoothies for an extra boost. Snack on cheese, boiled eggs, or protein bars. Consuming protein is great, but ensuring proper absorption is key. Here are some natural remedies to enhance digestion and absorption. Drink ginger tea to improve protein digestion. Add lemon juice to meals to boost enzyme activity. Include healthy fats like avocados for better nutrient absorption. Stay hydrated to support metabolism. A balanced diet is key. Your body needs a mix of carbohydrates for energy, proteins for muscle growth, vitamins for immunity, and water to stay hydrated. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables gives you the vitamins and minerals needed to stay strong and prevent illness.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel by subscribing. You'll get access to daily diet plans, expert nutrition tips, and easy recipes that can transform your lifestyle. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for your personal guide to a healthier, happier you.